Good morning, friends. In last lecture, we have discussed Gala set 1, section A. Today, we want to start section B. So, in section B, it says 20 marks weightage. Again, already we have discussed that in 1 mark each, always remember 2.25 minutes. So that is 20 marks paper, that is section B. 20 marks is there. So 20 into, if you will do, you will get at least 50 minutes. In 50 minutes you have to complete your section B. So today, first of all, we want to go from question number 1. So if you will see, one type of revision it is. If you will see, it's a one type of revision. In revision, we have discussed whole chapter. Now, find the nth term of Ap. So first of all, whenever nth term is there, I have to write the formula, that is An is equal to A plus N minus 1D. That is a formula. Now, what is the first term? That is A. So I have to write A is equal to 18. What is the difference? So we know that how to find out difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So 16.5 minus 18. Answer is negative 1.5. Now both value I have to put in a above formula, that is An. So An is equal to A, that is 18, plus N minus 1 into minus 1.5. That way I have to do. Now if I will open the bracket, here 18 as it is, minus 1.5n plus 1.5. Now, what is the like term? If you will see properly, what is the like term? 18 plus 1.5, that is 19.5 minus 1.5n. Why we are doing like that? Again say to you, because now cross verification. What is the first term? That is A, that is 18. What is the difference? 16.5 minus 18, that is minus 1.5. Now put A and D in an equation, then we can solve. I hope you have to write it now. Now next, that is question number 26. In question number 26, which term? Again term means we have to find out n. Now already we have a formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1D. We have a formula. So two different ways we can solve this. And we can solve by two different ways. N is equal to An minus A by D plus 1. Or you can directly put value of An and D. What? So if you will see here, what is A? A is equal to 30. What is D? That is 20 minus 13. That is 7. A is equal to 13. D is equal to 7. And An is equal to 384. If I will put all these three values in this equation or above equation, we can get same answer. So let me put at here, N is equal to An, that is 384, minus A, that is 13, divided by D, that is 7. plus 1. Now 384 minus 13. 384 minus 13. That is 1, 7 and 3. So n is equal to 371 upon 7 plus 1. So n is equal to 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are. So 53 plus 1, that is 54th term. So 54th term is the answer of it. I hope you have to write also this. So 54. That way we can solve. Or if you will put it here, if you will put answer in above, again we have get same answer. So I have to put at here 384, at here 13 and minus 1 7. So I have to open the bracket. So 384 minus 13 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Again you will get same answer. So first here already answer is 19 minus 1.599. Here n is equal to 54 term. Now we go for question number 27. So in question number 27, find the ratio of the volume. Find the ratio of the volume. So what is given to us, that is ratio surface area of two sphere. So whenever surface area is there, I have to write A1 upon A2. Now what is the value of A1? That is 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. That is given. What is given? 16 ratio 9. So I have to write at here 16 upon 9. In it, I have to assume that R1 is a radius of first circle, radius of first sphere, and R2 is a radius of second sphere. Now you will see that already we can cancel this. So R1 upon R2 whole to square is equal to, can I write 4 by 3 whole to square? We can write 4 by 3 whole to square. So we can get ratio R1 ratio R2 is equal to 4 ratio 3. Now what I have to write? What our target is ratio of the volume. So V1 upon V2, formula related with the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi R1 cube upon 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. Now if you will see that it should be easily cancelled. So what is remaining? That is R1 upon R2 whole the power 3. Now if I write R1 upon R2, that is already we have 4 by 3 whole the power 3. So 4 the power 3, that is 64, and 3 the power cube, that is 327. So answer is 64 ratio 27. First sum also I explained, that is 25th sum, 26th sum, and now 27th. So in 27th volume, so again I am saying to you, you concentrate on chapter number 13 because it has more weightage related with the chapter. I hope you have understand. You compare with first area, because ratio of areas are given. We convert into a radius ratio, then again put the value in a volume. We can get 64 ratio 27. Now next, that is question number 28. Radii of cylinder and cone. Radii of cylinder and cone are equal, and height are also equal. So we can say radius of cone and radius of cylinder, we can take R because it is equal. Here there is a one word, it is equal. Height are also equal. So height of cone and height of cylinder both are same. So we can take H. We can take H. Otherwise, if it is difference, we have to take R1 and R2. Now, what the comparison? Find the ratio of the volume of cylinder and volume of cone. So, volume of cylinder, I have to write VC, or volume of cylinder. So, volume of cylinder upon volume of cone. Volume of cone. Or we can write V1 upon V2. Now volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. But everything is same in a question or equal. So it is easily cancellation. We can do cancellation easily. Now denominator and denominator convert into the numerator. When denominator upon denominator, it should be convert into numerator. So ratio, that is V1 ratio V2 is equal to 3 ratio 1. We can write, or we can write volume of cylinder ratio volume of cone is equal to 3 ratio 1. I hope you have also understand this. Now we go for next, that is question number 29. In question number 29, it's a easy sum related chapter number 15. Already a question is like that: contain 500 screw and 80 defective screw. The screw is selected at random from the box. Find the probability of the selected screw is non-defective. So first off, I have to find out how many non-defective. So for non-defective, you will see that non-defective is equal to 500 screw minus 80, that is 420 are non-defective. Now I have to find out the probability, that is E1. I have to write E1 is equal to non-defective screw, that is 420. Now probability P, event E. Number of trials divided by total trials. We have to remember it, NT by TT. NT by TT. Number of trials. So for non-defective it's 420. And total trial is 500. So we can easily cancel it. Now if I will divide it by 2, then 21 divided by 2, 25. So if you will see the answer, that is 21 upon 25. 21 upon 25. That is PE. Someone do it by different way. That is, if we can say PE plus PE bar is equal to 1. That way we also do it, because probability related with it. So that is 80 defective screw. That is, we can take as a E. If I will take as a E1, or we can say E is a 80 defective screw, then E complementary or E bar, I can take 420. So if I will find out PE, we can find out PE bar by 1 minus. You can also do by this method, but it is easy. The easiest way is this. So you can do it by this way. I hope you have understand it. No necessary to explain another different way. Only one way. If you will understand it properly, then it is sufficient. Now, next question number 30. quadric polynomial with sum and product of zeros are given. So for sum, we know that sum of zeros, that is minus b by a, that is given minus b by n. Product of zeros, product of zeros, that is c by a, that is 2 by 1. Here we can take k, here also we can take k, for k is called non-zero real number. Now, so we can take a is equal to 3k, b is equal to, a, first start from a, so a is equal to 1k, b is equal to minus minus cut, so 3k, and c is equal to 2k. Now what is the standard formula for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? Now value, that is 1k x square plus 3k x plus 2k is equal to 0. Now I make k outside, k square x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, where k naught is equal to 0. So in bracket I have to write k in a bracket x square plus 3x plus 2. I hope you have understand it also. So we go for now next sum. Question number, find the zeros of the quadric polynomial. Find the zeros of the quadric polynomial. So already we know that x square, it's a easy term, x square plus 7x plus 10, it's a textbook example. Factor of 10 you will get answer 7. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. So factor of 10, mostly we have discussed that basket factor we can write it 1 multiplied by 10, 2 multiplied by 5. So it is called basket factor. Out of it I have to select one pair to get 7. So now between here common is x. So I have to write x plus 5 common. Here I have to take common 2. So x plus 5 we can take common. So x plus 5 and x plus 2. So someone asked me what are the zeros. So we can minus 2 and minus 5 are the zeros of the quadric polynomial. Now question is verify the relations between and their coefficient. Verify the relation between and their coefficient. So for sum of zeros, if I will write alpha plus beta, then minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7. So I can write minus b by a is equal to b is equal to 7. So it will be satisfied. We can satisfy by here sum of zeros, that is minus 5, and product of zeros, that is minus 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Now I want to verify with the coefficient. So you will see that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So if I will write 1 at here, then we can get value of b is equal to 7. So here x square plus 7x minus 10. So we can write like that, minus b minus 7 upon 1. Same thing, alpha into beta, we know the product, that is c by a. We know the product c by a. So here 10. Again, here it is plus 10, because minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. So again we can write 10 by 1. So we can also verify it also, and zeros are also. It carry 2 marks sums. When 2 marks questions is there, 4 steps we have to write, and for half marks for each year. You will get, if you write properly, half marks. Right at here you will get half marks. Right here you can get half marks, and verification you can get half marks. Now for next question, that is question number 32. In 32, without finding the zeros of polynomial, find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So first of all I have to write the over polynomial, that is p of x is equal to, that is 6x square minus 13x plus 6. Now what is the value of a? Value of a 6, value of b minus 13, and value of c is equal to 6. Now find out the value. Which value I have to find out? Value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. If I will simplify this, you will see that alpha plus beta upon alpha into beta. So we know the formula related or value related, alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha into beta, that is c by a. That will be cancelled. So answer is minus b upon c. Now you can get value of b. You will see the value of b, that is minus 13. Value of c, that is 16. So answer is 13 upon 16. You can also verify by it. Now the question second, that is the first sum. So 1 marks you will get if you will write it properly this way. Now alpha square plus beta square. Always remember, if I want to get value of alpha square plus beta square, we have to write first alpha plus beta whole to square minus 2 alpha into beta. Why I am write like that? Because if you will go for identity, x plus y whole to square, then x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now x plus y whole to square minus 2xy, we can get value of x square plus y square. So instead of x and y, we are using alpha and beta. Now we know that alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. We know minus b by a whole to square. 2 into alpha into beta, that is c by a. If I simplify, then b square upon a square minus 2c upon a. Now already we have get some value that we have to put, or if I want to simplify more at here, then if I will take LCM, then b square minus 2ac upon a square. b square minus 2ac upon a square. Again say alpha plus beta whole to square minus 2 alpha beta minus b by a whole to square minus 2 into c by a, and b square upon a square minus 2c upon a. If I will take LCM of it, so here it is a square, here it is a. So b square minus 2ac upon a square. Now if you will put all these three values at here, so we are using all three values at here to simplify it. Now what is the value of b? So already we have a value of b, that is minus 13. So minus 13 whole to square, 2 into a, that is 6, and c, that is 6, upon a square, that is 6 whole to square. So 13 square is 169, minus 6 6 are 36, 72 upon 36. 69 minus 72, that is 90. 90, if you will subtract it, 72, 73, 97 upon 36. So 97 upon 36, that is our answer. The important sum related with the section B, that is question number 32. I hope you have understood it. Write it now. In section B, you will give one, at least 1 hour you have to concentrate on this. Now we go for next sum, that is question number 34. Find the values. So first of all, we know the value related it. Sin 30, that is under root 3 by 2. Afterward, cos 30. Cos 30 means again, whatever you have to remember, always remember. So, cos 30 and sin 60, that is same. So, root 3 by 2. Now, sin 30. So, sin 30 again 1 by 2. Cos 60, that is 1 by 2. So, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Denominator is same. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. It's an easy sum. According to me, it's a easy sum. Write it now. Then now question number 34. Only put the value of sin 60 cos 30, sin 30 cos 60. Now, in triangle ABC, prove that cos B plus C upon 2 is equal to sin A by 2. So here the question is related to the triangle ABC. So we know that in triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Instead of writing the symbol, we have to write like that: A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Now, here B plus C is remaining, so I have to write B plus C by 2 is equal to 180. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Now here I have to divide by 2, so divided by 2. Divide by 2. So B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Now multiply. What is the target? We want to get cos. So multiply both sides by cos. So we can get cos B plus C by 2 is equal to here cos 90 minus A by 2. If you, it's a complementary, so 90 minus, so cos is converted into a sin 90 minus A by 2. So whenever 2 marks questions are there, at least 4 steps you have to write. Now question number 35. All our textual based sums are there. A point P lies in exterior of a circle with center P, radius 7. A tangent from A touches the circle at B. If AB is equal to 24, find PA. So if you will see if I want to draw a one circle and A lies in the exterior of a circle, so we can take point A here. Now we know that tangents are always perpendicular. Tangents are always perpendicular. A point A lies exterior of a circle with center P. So here it is center P and radius 7, that is 7. And tangent from A touches the circle at the point B. Length of B is 24. Find PA. So it's easy. First of all, we have to write name of a triangle, that is ABP. Measure angle B is equal to 90 degree. By applying Pythagoras, we can say by applying Pythagoras, measure angle B is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras, we can say that AP square is equal to AB square plus PB square. So 24 square plus 7 square, that is 576 plus 49, that is 625. So AP square is equal to 625. Then AP is equal to 25. It's a triplet. AP is equal to 25. So it's a triplet. It's a textual based sum. Now we go for trigonometry. Apply Pythagoras, we will get answer. Now again we have to draw the figure of it. If we will draw the figure of it, then it is only possible. So we can construct more. A circus art is climbing a 20-meter long. Okay, I think, see the figure. Sorry. So already figure is at here. If you will see the figure, question is a circle art is climbing 20-meter long rope. So we can say AC is equal to rope, which is tightly strapped and tied from the top of vertical pole from the ground. The height of the pole, find the height of pole. So we can write H at here. Now, whenever opposite upon hypotenuse is there, which trigonometric functions I have to use? That is sine. Again, opposite upon hypotenuse. We have to remember as SOH. SOH. S means sine. O means opposite. H means hypotenuse. So, sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Now opposite is H. Now we are concentrated here. Sin 30 degree is equal to AB upon AC. Now value of sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Value of AB, that is H upon 20. So 20 ones are 20. 20 by 2 is equal to H. So H is equal to 10 meter. So we cannot write directly H is equal to 10 meter. I have to write that the height of the pole, the height of pole is 10 meter. That way I have to write. I hope you have also understand this. Now two sums is remaining for B. Find the coordinates of the point dividing the line segment joining AB by ratio 1:1. So you will see that if we will do 1:1, so it is called midpoint. When 1:1, we can say it is a midpoint. 2, 1 and coordinates of B, that is -2, 1. I think it is easy if you will go for midpoint theorem. We know that when we can take midpoint theorem, when ratio is 1:1, we can say that equal distance. So M x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So plus 2 minus 2 by 2. Here minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So 0, 0. So midpoint related x comma y is 0, 0. I hope you have also understand it this. Again say to you, if you like this whole video, share to your friends, 10th standard, to all different school, and subscribe our school channel, that is Vidya Sankul. Again one more sum related with it, that is question number 38. Find the sum of first 15. Sum of first 15 term. So n is equal to 15. Now what is the arithmetic progressions is there? If you will go for, that is 12, A is equal to 12, difference D is equal to 17 minus 12, that is 5. So formula I have to put, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket I have to write 2a plus n minus 1d. Now you put all this value, you will get 100% correct answer. Let me try who give the answer of it. So 15 by 2, 2 into 15 term, what is the value of A? A is equal to 12 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14, D is equal to 5. So 15 by 2, 24 plus 14 5s are 14 5s are 70, 70 plus, so 15 by 2, 24 plus 70, that is 94, divided by 2, 4 is 8, 7. So 15 into 47. So 15 into 47, that is 470, 15, 10, 40, 47 tens are 470, and again half of it, that is 235. So 705. So 705 is the answer. So section B today already I have completed. Now in next lecture we go for section C. I write again to you, when you go for videos, please comment something that if you have not understand, or you can subscribe our channel so we can go further. You can also comment that how you like it. It is necessary that I have to explain other different way, or this is the simplest way. I am using the language in English. It is also suitable for you or not, that also you have to say in your comment box. Thank you.